Okay, so it's the next day after breaking the shaft and the car is still stuck there. So lucky I have a spare, and all you need is this 36mm socket and some spinners. We should be right. John, why are you hooking a tow rope to your car?
It's so loud that I can't drive it through the streets, otherwise people get scared.
So he fried the clutch or gearbox or something, and we have to flat tow it home. Also this. It's just enough.
This is what happens. This is what happens when you beat RBs, you try to do a burnout. God damn it.
Fucking hell. Round 2. This is a lot of hard work getting John's car home. We broke a rope, we've been stuck with the routes because of roundabouts. I'm hot as fuck from pushing the car with the locked diff. What are we doing, John?
Partying.
So instead of flat towing it, we're going to change the shaft here on the side of the road and drive it back. Also, look at my exhaust. 3-inch, worn all the way down to probably 2-inch or so. Should probably get a new rear section made.
Both ends, huh? Fucking see you later.
That's spitting grease out everywhere.
Ew.
Please be the same. Oh no, it's longer. Or is that just because it's smashed to pieces? What do you reckon?
Oh.
So John didn't have a spare shaft. So we're gonna pull the shaft out of this and go back to the Cefiro on the side of the road and change it.
You need my car, don't you, to fix your car?
No. Fuck, these are tough.
Dream team.
Thanks for the shaft. It's fine. So, the new drive shaft is in. Grease everywhere, but look at this other side. So it actually snapped both shafts. Lucky, the one that was wrong for this side was right for this side. So we'll do another shaft on the side of the road.
Keep going.
After a full day, it's fucking driving again. On the side of the road. God damn. What a day.